morning, students. Welcome to physics class. Today, now, in this class, we discuss about average speed and average velocity. What is the average speed and what is average velocity? Average distance, average speed is the distance traveled by an object for unit time interval is said to be average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by time taken. Next one, what is average velocity? The average velocity is defined as the displacement of an object per unit time is called average velocity. Okay, students, we understand about average speed and average velocity with a small example. Students, suppose a train, Godavari Express. What is the name of the train? The name of the train is Godavari Express. This train is start at 5 p.m. from Visakhapatnam and to reach the Hyderabad at 5 a.m. on next day. Okay, students, what is that? Godavari Express. The train is start from Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam. This train is start 5 p.m. and to reach that Hyderabad. To reach that Hyderabad on next day 5 a.m. via Vijayawada. Okay, students, the Godavari Express, the train start at 5 p.m. at Visakhapatnam to reach Hyderabad on next day at a.m. via Vijayawada. Okay, students, here let us the total trip of the journey by the train is 720 kilometers. 720 kilometers. The entire trip of the train is travel the distance 720 kilometers. And to let the time is taken to reach Hyderabad from Visakhapatnam, take the time interval 12 hours. Okay, friends, 12 hours. 12 hours. The total distance traveled by the entire trip of the train 720 kilometers and to take the time interval 12 hours. Now to calculate that the distance covered by a train for each 1 hour. Okay, students, how can you calculate the distance covered by the train for each 1 hour? Okay, students, here it's travel the distance to 720 kilometers. It will take the time intervals 12 hours. Take the time intervals 12 hours. How much distance is traveled for each 1 hour? It is a question mark. Okay, students, here what is to find out? We find out the distance traveled by the train for each 1 hour. It is a question mark. We know that find out the unknown value, let it x. Now here to find out the x value. How can you find it? The x value on the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication of, we will get x into 12 is equal to 720 into 1 into 1. Okay, therefore hence from this equation x is equal 720 by 12. This 12 table is cancelled in 72. 72, how many times? 60. 60 times 60 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. That is, this train is covered 60 kilometers for every 1 hour. Students, here can you say this train is exactly covered 60 kilometers for each 1 hour? You say the answer no. This train is not exactly covered 60 kilometers for each 1 hour, because of there are number of variations that are involving in the total trip of the train. Okay, students, in the case of the train is arriving to the station, the speed of the train is decreased. And when does the train is leave from the station, the speed of the train is gradually increases. And also sometimes this train will come to the rest at halt stations or at traffic signals. So that's why finally we will come to the conclusions. There are several many variations that are involving that the total entire trip of the train journey. So that's why here we take the average of distance. The average distance of the train will to decide the average speed of the train. So that's why the circumstance we take that the average of distance of the train to decide the average speed of the train. Okay, students, what is the average speed? The average speed is equal. The average speed is equal to. The average speed is defined as the total distance. The distance traveled by the distance traveled by the distance traveled by an object an object an object for unit time is called average average speed average speed. Okay, students, here we take the average distance of the train to decide the average speed of the train. Okay, students, here the distance between the distance traveled by an object for unit time is called average speed. Okay, students, once again, the distance traveled by an object for unit time is called average speed. Therefore, hence, the average speed the average speed the average speed is equal to total distance by total distance by time taken. Okay, students, what is the average speed? The distance traveled by an object per unit time is called average speed. The average speed is equal to total distance by time interval. Okay, students, we'll take that the average of the distance covered by train will decide the average speed of the train. Okay, students, next one, what is the average velocity? What is the average velocity? Let us the total displacement of from Vizag to Hyderabad is 360 kilometers. 360 kilometers and take the time interval 12 hours. 12 hours. Okay, what is the displacement covered by train due to east to west or west to south for each 1 hour? Okay, students, it will cover the displacement 360 kilometers. 360 kilometers due south to east, south to east or south to west, south to west. It will take 12 hours. 12 hours. How much the distance, how much displacement covered by the train for each 1 hour? It is the question mark. Let the unknown value is x. What is the x value? Now, how to do the cross multiplication? We get x into 12 is equal to 360. Therefore, hence x is equal 360 by 12. 360 by 12. This 12 table is cancelled in 30 times 30 kilometers per hours. Hours due south to west. Okay, students, but what is the average velocity? The average velocity is defined as the displacement of an object. The displacement of an object. The displacement of an object per unit time is called average velocity. Average velocity. Okay, students, once again, what is the definition of average velocity? Average velocity is defined as the displacement of an object. The displacement of an object per unit time in specified direction is called average velocity. This average velocity is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. Why? Because of this displacement will take place in a specified direction. Right? That is along the path of the direction of displacement. That's why the average velocity is a vector quantity. Okay, students, average velocity is equal average velocity. Average velocity is equal displacement by time taken is called average velocity. Okay, students, once again, what is the definition of average velocity? The average velocity is defined as the displacement of an object per unit time is called average velocity. Average velocity is a vector quantity. Next one, average velocity is equal displacement by time taken. Okay, students? Okay, students, is given one of the problem, you can solve it. What is the average speed of the car if it covers 200 kilometers in 5 hours? Here, what is the given in this problem is given? What is the given? The total distance. The distance covered by car is equal to 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers. And time is equal 5 hours. 5 hours. And to find out its average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by covered by car by time interval. How much the total distance covered by the car? 200. So 200 by time interval is 5 hours. 200 by 5, the 5 table is cancelled 40 times. So 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, students, answer is 40 kilometer per hour. And that is the car is covered 40 kilometers for each 1 hour. Okay, students, tomorrow will continue next class. Thank you.